Hi, I'm Action Jacquelyn. This guided meditation is part of my free 21-day Mind Over Matter meditation journey designed to help you build self-esteem and get more out of life. To sign up for free and receive the entire program of 21 videos, go to actionjacquelyn.com/meditate. Ready? Subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Settling in now, sitting or lying somewhere comfortable where you won't be interrupted, so you can start to settle in a nice, comfortable way. And allow yourself to begin to appreciate the possibility that you can relax deeply and calmly, and just let the eyes gently close if they haven't yet. Now, as relaxation starts to drift all about you and laps gently through your muscles, sweeping deep rest and a wonderful kind of release through that body and your mind, can take a vacation away from usual thoughts and feelings, seeing them get more distant as you relax through time, and even the air around the skin can start to feel so much more relaxed. And so, to continue becoming even more comfortable, every breath allows an even deeper calm, a deeper sense of release. Begin to imagine a healing place, a place that could be healing. To imagine what a place like that might be like, and that somewhere there are images that begin to take shape and form. To imagine being in a healing place just as it is wanted and needs to be, with any or all of the senses as it begins to wrap all around. What is it about this healing place that captures attention? How does it feel to be here now? It's been said that when one door closes, another one opens. Take a look over to the right and discover the open door. And in your mind, describe what is found. With any or all of the senses, what seems interesting? Perhaps there's a sense in being aware that there is a choice. What are the choices? When the time is right, it will be to go ahead and make a choice. It cannot be wrong. It can only be right. What else happens? What is most important? If it feels right, heighten and brighten that information in the imagination. And when the feeling of this journey is complete, let all the positive information sink more deeply down. And let's reinforce it all at 0, bringing back the importance of this journey into conscious outer awake life, now at 1, with a deep cleansing breath in and release. 2, feeling more calm with a sense of well-being. 3, remembering which room you put yourself in. 4, feeling excited, maybe even a smile coming across your face. And 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. Each and every time you come back to this meditation, you're going to notice a greater sense of peace and well-being and more motivation to take care of yourself. And if you haven't found a movement practice yet, you can join us in the Stretchy Fit app, where I've created an entire Pilates sculpt program just for you to do alongside your meditations. Info for that is in the description box below. Now go and have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow.